When people talk about Geo, and we said Geo took India from number 158 in the world to number 1 in the world in 8 years. We, as a single company, didn't know anything about this domain, right? But today, we are the largest data company in the world, right?
Yeah.
Our volumes are equivalent to AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon combined.
Yeah.
So, let me tell you, like, the most satisfying piece, and
Well, having 1.5 billion
the
customers
best part,
would do it.
the best part's still coming.
That's
Jensen.
pretty satisfying.
So the most satisfying piece is that as Geo, we delivered about 16 exabytes of data this year, or we will deliver this year, and the average, in the US you pay $5 a GB, in the world average for data is about $3.50 a GB. In India, Geo delivers data at 15 cents a GB. And what that means is
Do you encourage your customers to use their phones?
we do. And what really that means, Jensen, is a perpetual value.
Yeah.
Right? That technology has delivered customer value
Yeah.
of between $500 and $700 billion a year on year, every year,
And this
to
is-
Indians. And this is the
That's
gift of technology
Yeah.
to the people of India.
Yeah.
And this is what you described as intelligence, we can do to actually bring prosperity to all the people and bring equality to the world. And that is the opportunity, why I described this.
Yeah.
And this is the reason that India will be one of the biggest intelligence markets. And it's not only our aspirations, but I think it is just the raw gene pool and the raw gene power that exists in India, the youth power that exists in India, that is actually going to
And
drive
Yeah. And Mukesh,
intelligence, and
this is a
hopefully
very-
once we drive
Yeah.
intelligence for our domestic market, right,
yeah.
we will use intelligent services beyond software to integrate with the rest of the world.
That's right.
And Indians now will not only export CEOs to the world's largest companies, but hundreds of millions of Indians. And
It's true. It's true. All of my colleagues, all of my friends back home, they're all Indians. All of my CEOs.
And
Yeah.
hundreds of millions will deliver to
Satya,
the world AI
Sundar,
services
and, yeah,
to
Shantanu.
help a better world.
Yeah.
And that is why your being here,
Thank you.
right, is important. Your commitment to this country is important, and working together, right? This cannot be done by any one company, any one individual, but we all have to work together to bring this intelligence age safely to the world, so that we can create a more equal world, a prosperous world, and allow the global south to catch up with the rest of the world.